Hello everyone, I will discuss about S3 request pair. I mean how to enable AWS S3 request pair and how to access exactly the message when request pair charged is coming in over the screen and using the AWS CLI. So let's get started. Okay, so I will this is the account A. I have a two account A, account B. My bucket name is my bucket example AWS cloud, which is in account A, and we do have one account B. I had a one jump host. Let's suppose I have configured both AWS CLI credentials. Account A is default, account 2 is account B is account 2. Okay, so I will show you, right? So basically I'll how to enable this request pair, right? By default it is disabled, but I have already done that, so let me do in front of you. Okay, this is enabled. I had a one policy I have attached, so need to, because it will give you end to end. So error, what error we will face, so I will show you. I just need to remove this. Okay, so this is the bucket, right? And I have uploaded one object, request pair object. It is a hello, I think version, yeah, hello S3. This is the content it has, right? Okay, I have already configured this account configuration as AWS CLI configuration, and I had a one more account. I have already done that, right? So let me show you. Okay, AWS configure list profiles, right? So default is where is our bucket is created. This is in default. Okay, default credential. And account 2, from where I want to use, from where account 2 is, from where I want to use this file. Okay, so these are both are the two account, both are in a different account. Okay, let me show you. AWS STS get caller identity. So I have already uploaded one AWS S3 CLI commands level video, so just go through. So it has explained AWS configuration, list profile, policy creation, many more things, right? So this is the user. Basically it is belong to this because it is default. If I want to use profile account 2, so this is right. So this is the IAM user. Just notice once again, this is the IAM user, because I will add this why I'm saying just S3 IAM user. Okay, just so we just need to copy. I have already written my commands, right? So I do ls, so rm zj rm request pair. Okay, so I just need to put right now. So this is the command syntax, right? S3 API get object. I want to get object. Bucket is this object inside this bucket, right? Key means object name completely. Request pair, this is one more attribute. Why do we need to add this attribute? If S3 bucket is enabled for request pair enabled, so just need to add, and this is the default value. This file downloaded in this file. Okay, profile account 2. This is the account 2 configuration. This is this. Okay, IAM user. So let me do, and this bucket is completely private. Okay, so get object operation is access denied. Why? Okay, so we cannot this. Let me add directly. Okay, all access. Where is our content? This bucket. Okay, so just need to add one permission right here. Block all public access. So I just need to add resource first policy. I will explain, don't worry about that. This is a statement, hope you are aware. SID is naming, effect is allow and deny. Principle is this: why I'm adding this IAM user? Okay, because I want to access from this IAM user. This IAM user had allow access action. What type of access? Any. And resource itself. This is the bucket. This is the bucket name. On this bucket, this IAM user access is allowed. Okay, that's why I'm getting error. I just need to save. So this is the access denied now. Let's try once more. Okay, now I am able to access. So what is exactly request pair is enabled? So this message will come, okay, if bucket is request pair enabled. Request charge as a requester. I am a requester. Request has been charged on my AWS account. Okay, not this bucket account. Okay, because S3 has a in an access read and access request charge. Okay, so it has like and if one more question, if I will remove this, right, cat jj.txt, because this file comes on this, right? Okay, so this is, but I want to like just do some, I want to remove this request pair because S3 is still enabled. Okay, let's see. Okay, can we do that? Get object operation is access denied. So S3 request pair is enabled, so do not need to do over S3 bucket, right? In just who is going to access, he just need to add request pair attribute. By default value is requester. Okay, hope you understood. I will show you S3 CP is itself. Okay, one more command. Okay, might be this is also for downloading, right? No, this is not downloaded. So let me see. I need to add this request pair because this will download completely. Hope you got it my point, right? So it will download as a file, right? So this is downloaded. Just need to make sure while you are creating this syntax, so after the file name just need to dot. So dot means it's current where I'm running, and I have to add attribute after dot. Okay, hyphen profile after dot. Okay, so cat requester hello.txt. Okay, this is the difference where we need to see request charged. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Please do comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.